Okay folks, what I have here is a small refrigerator, and as you can see, it's really tiny here. And so a gentleman gave it to me. He said that it wasn't working and he didn't know how to fix it, so he didn't want to mess around with it, and he just gave this thing to me. I thought I'd do a video on this one and see how it turns out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check the compressor. The gentleman says that the compressor wasn't working and it wasn't cooling. It didn't turn on at all. So we'll check to see if the compressor's good. So to do that, we have to take off this housing, and like as always disconnect the unit from the outlet, or else you're gonna have a shocking experience doing this kind of work. And I've removed the housing here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remember where the lines are, or goes to. Okay, so let me go get a flathead screwdriver to pry these off. Okay, so here we go. So that's off. Okay. And so this is a relay right here. It's a starter relay. And as you can see, it goes in like that. It's one prong. See that? So you want to remember that it's one prong. It goes to here. So I'm going to put it right here. Right? And this right here goes here. This thing right here that I'm going to pry off is called a overload. It's a protector. See this? So we're going to own these later. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the system here, the poles here, to make sure that it's still good. Let me go get my tools. Okay, so I'm going to put my little meter here, turn to ohms, put my tool here, okay, and we'll see, check the winding. 10. And everything's good. Okay, so let's check the resistance here. So we have a good okay. Continuity, it's good. Okay, so the overload relay, the overload protector is working as it should. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm checking. Okay, I think you might have a, yeah, this unit is bad, so I'm gonna replace this unit. I'll go get the parts. Okay, so this is the new unit. As you can see, this is a universal starter relay, and this is the original part. As you can see, so if you match this prong right here with this prong, they are the same terminal. So I'm going to put this here, plug it in, and then plug it in here. Oops, sorry, this way. Let's see. this goes in like that. Okay, so this goes in like that too. It goes back to the same terminal. Okay. Oop. Okay, so I'm going to plug it up and see what happens. Okay, so let's see. There. It's working. Good job. This unit is fixed. Bad starter relay. So that's that. It's fixed. It's ready to go. And oops, sorry, didn't mean to kick the camera. I don't know if you can hear the humming of the compressor, but let me unplug the unit first. So as you can see, it's as easy as that. But I just want to warn you, this is my disclaimer, like always, that if you try my methodology, if you get shocked, and like I said, listen to my disclaimer carefully, you can have a shocking experience, and you can even die from the shock if you don't have a good heart. Okay, so you have to be very, very cautious about this. If you get electrocuted, please don't blame me. Okay, that's done.